Yo, I know say Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So you know the do now. So just do the do now. Like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, let's turn on the notification bell, put it on all so that when we drop a video, you will be the first one to be notified. Adds up place on the video, so please watch them out for me. Manners, and thanks for doing so. In the redevelopment of St. Thomas, we are in the parish of St. Thomas. I'm gonna show you what's going on in Seaforth. As we show you, giving an update on this road, because we show you, so this road is aisle and sand. So at any moment we are showing you it asphalt, but unfortunately we couldn't show you when it's asphalt, but we are showing, giving an update and making know say asphalt. So as you see, we are approaching Silver Slipper. So you can tell everyone now that Seaforth, not the whole entire Seaforth, just continue watching the video, you will see that the whole entire Seaforth have been asphalt, but 95% of it already asphalt. So that is what's taking place, what's going on in the redevelopment of St. Thomas. So continue watch the video and you will see more. Bless up to each and everyone. Bless up to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Manners and respect. I'm out. For the original people that leave Seaforth and know Seaforth, this is Barloka, an original scheme gate. So that is the original people who know Seaforth for a long period of time. Yeah, we'll come Seaforth for a good while. Remember Barloka and the name the scheme gate? Yeah, man. I hit that to just pass. You see it? So as you can see the place. The whole of them places are asphalt already, no viewers and subscribers. But the whole entire Seaforth don't asphalt. But continue watch the video and you will see where and where don't have to asphalt. Okay? Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, as I see we are still in Seaforth. So this is where the asphalting stops so far in Seaforth St. Thomas. Okay viewers, right at the police station. So it passed there so for a while. As I can see, the rest of the road already dig off. So they dig off the rest of the road, but the asphalting stop at the station. So as I can look on this now, this dig off aisle and sand. So at any moment it can asphalt. So from the police station up to Stratfield up to the bridge, there's no asphalt as yet. We are approaching Seaforth's square now. That's what we are approaching. So we are in the square of Seaforth. Okay viewers? So from here so up to Stratfield up to the bridge, don't asphalt as yet. Hope you understand. Okay viewers? Continue watch the video. Bless up. So viewers, you remember when you used to come Seaforth right at the gas station, or there's a huge low, there's a low no more. So take a look here. So then put the amount of mile, then put here. So viewers, here so a Seaforth gas station. I remember one time water usual second. So well, no rain or fall as yet to put it to the test, but I tell you said I look at the wall. You saw the wall? Look at the wall, viewers. My tell you, there's a whole lot of mall put there, so seafood right there so higher. Yeah man, there's so high broadcast a whole heap of mall and put this. Okay, viewers and subscribers. So in case you never know, if you are aware, turn our video and I show no video is like a year. Okay viewers? So continue watch the video. We are at Lover Lane, heading up to Stratfield. So viewers and subscribers, as you see, we are heading to the end of another video. As I say, right at Stratfield Bridge, so we are going to end the video. Why? Because at there so no asphalt as it. So we are showing you the part from down a slipper so asphalt to which part them have left in seaforth to asphalt, complete the asphalting. So when them finish from the station to upper Stratfield, all car asphalting have been complete in feeding part of contract. Okay viewers, so them only have like the draining and some little work to do before for them contract complete, good. Okay, as you can see, mall drop, ready for some more mall in here, so and etc. Okay viewers, so now that we come to the end of another video, bless up to each and everyone that playing their part for growing this channel from strength to strength. Remember, we are start from zero, sky's the limit. So we say safe travel on the gravel, see you people in the next video, manners and respect, I'm out.